Hello everyone, how are you guys? I'm at the Big C at Ras Damri in Bangkok right now, Thailand. I'm walking from the Big C to BTS Chitlom, so follow me on this tour. Okay, I'm now inside this very colorful flowery place called the Gayson. Gayson. Over here you can sit to chill with your friends, have a snack or something. This shop is strange, man. Nobody is here. But a smiley face and there's a Starbucks here. And you can see the leopard over there. Now we are going down the staircase. I mean the elevator. Immediately we are greeted with this beautiful red view on top. And then from here, I'm gonna turn left and can see President Tower, Holiday Inn already, the 5-star hotel. If we go to the right side, it's towards BTS Siam and Central World. As well the Police General Hospital, and this is Raja Prasong district, and this area walking is Raja Prasong Walk. They call it the R Walk. Alright, gonna reach in just 2 minutes. Chitlom BTS. If a heavy luggage stay left, there's a special walkway for you guys. Check out, man. Chitlom. Okay guys, we arrived at the safely at BTS Chitlom, and I'm taking the BTS back to my hotel in Asok area. If you have heavy luggage, stay right on the right side, because if you try to enter by the left gate, it's too narrow, and then your legs will be crushed, maybe bitten, jammed. Last time, a few days ago, my leg was injured. Alright, thanks everyone for watching the video once again. If you enjoyed the video, give a like, subscribe and share so that more people can find the video. Thanks very much. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.